Hey, what's up guys? This is Dave from Crux Motorsports. We'll be showing you today how to apply our pre-cut fender gill overlay for this 2022 and newer Toyota GR86. This is a wrap material, so it's going to be applied completely dry. Prior to installation, you just want to make sure that area of the vehicle is clean. Right prior to installing, go ahead and wipe it down with a microfiber with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Once that dries off, you can go ahead and begin the application. Tools that you're going to be needing for today are a heat gun. If you don't have a heat gun, you could use a hair dryer as well, and a squeegee and a tuck tool. If you are interested in any of these tools, we do have them available online as well as this product. Link for that is in the video description below. This is the satin black film I'm going to be showing you, and I'm going to start with the larger upper portion first. And when you're aligning this, where that factory like black portion is, you want to be a little bit past it so that way you could cover up, you know, the painted portion in the gap there. I apologize, I'm moving in the way for a second. All right, now that's aligned, let's go ahead and see, I'm like a little bit past you. Go ahead and start to work this down. I want to make sure that first, before we get too far, that this area is correct up here. All right, we're good. That's going to be your hardest, and you're still going to see a smidge of the painted portion. Unless you really get it in there, you could probably take this off as well if you wanted to and then apply it. Just working the material behind where you can on that factory painted portion and then the little black portion there. So this is where you're going to need that heat gun or hair dryer. If you're using hair dryer, you do a high setting heat gun. You want to go like a lower setting. We're just going to start to work this material into this groove here. So I want to make sure you do not stick it to the door, or you're going to have to do this. If you do have any bubbles stuck in there, you could go ahead and sort of work them out in the material. Then you can either stop there if you like this look, or add the little bottom piece. So on the bottom there, you are going to see a little bit of the red, just the way that is designed. There's not too much you can do about it. This one I am going to make a slight adjustment on the bottom piece, so I will, just give me a second, I'll be right back. All right, I made a slight adjustment here, so hopefully this one works out a little bit better. Sorry that I'm in the way. All right, so you are still going to see a little bit of that red on the very far bottom left. It's just how, it's would be impossible to get the vinyl down in there, short of taking all that off and wrapping that first. But if you have any questions on this, feel free to reach out. Our contact information is on the website. If you're interested in this product, the link is in the video description below. Thanks for watching.